So you know what we do that to work. You feel like about that. So you see as how really so that's why we like to do that before also. As I say like so it's a problem. Usize kakhulu because manje sakwazi sibe ikhulu singabashaya so that siyacela hayi le umphakathi moleke singabashaya abafowethu share the same plan so lokho besizakwazi sathi nebefika kuthina sabashaya so usize kakhulu Mr. Pitu uthathizulwa sathi abafowethu igazi yafana muitos memarados, somos amigos, so vamos dizer que se guarda se fixa no fogo ela muito because é muito o que eu fiz even though é assim now usar é like so guarda Pitas come fosse mesmo com a mãe